Streamline your development process with the ADuM1252S Evaluation Kit from Analog Devices, a powerful tool for testing and optimizing isolated I2C communications. The kit is designed to evaluate the ADuM1252, 1253, 1254, and 1255 isolators. The kit provides a versatile platform for exploring robust and reliable data transfer across isolation barriers. The kit features everything you need to evaluate the ADuM125X family of isolators. Supporting clock rates of up to 2 MHz, these isolators are ideal for high-speed I2C applications in battery management systems, industrial controls, medical devices, and more. Whether you're designing for industrial automation, energy systems, the ADuM1252S Evaluation Kit will help accelerate your development. For more on the ADuM1252S Evaluation Kit, check out the interactive below. You'll be able to get more details, specs, and more importantly, you'll be able to find out where you could get one.